Hi, today I want to give a quick overview on the Microsoft Office 365 MCP tools that we have on our official catalog. So those, if you look at the catalog entry, so we have added Microsoft tools, MCP tools that help you manage the calendar events or Excel files and then your Outlook mails in your LM. So once you connect to this remote MCP servers, you'll be actually be asked to authenticate in your accounts, and once you authenticate that, you give the LM access to those tools. So once you have enabled this connector, you can say, what are my events today? So the LM will try to connect to our calendar and MCP servers, and then be able to list the events on your calendar. And this is my event here, and also I can say, give me a summary. And I can ask to list all the emails that I received today and then give a summary. And you can see that we try to list all the emails that not read, and then including the read and unread emails, and then try to give a summary on each emails. So that's pretty much a basic demo. So you can do a lot more things with these connectors. The OneDrive connector give you ability to manage your files in your OneDrive. In Excel, you can manage Excel, add rows, and manage rows in your Excel spreadsheet. And in the Word, you can also manage your Word documents by creating documents and then list documents. So that's a quick demo. Thanks for watching.